Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the likely questions I do receive from people, like can I send money from NexusPay to another bank account? So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. So to get started, first thing to do is to launch the NexusPay application on your smartphone. And from there, you have to enter your credentials to access your NexusPay account, just to log in your account. Then from there, you have to navigate to send money section. So to do this, find the main menu and select the send money option on the app. Then select options to send money to another bank. Now right here, you have to input the recipient account information, such as the bank name, the branch name, the account number, and the account holder's name. Then from there, you have to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then the next thing to do is to review and confirm, which is very important. Double check all the entered details for accuracy to avoid loss of funds. So once that is confirmed, then click confirm the transactions to proceed. Then after that, you have to enter your PIN or use your biometric authentication to authorize this transfer. And after that, transaction will be confirmed, and once it is confirmed, it takes up to upon successful transfer, you will receive a confirmation message or a receipt after the transaction. And that's how you can simply send money from NexusPay to another bank. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.